anyone here?
You're not alone, little one.
A fairy princess? Am I dreaming?
No dream. I'm here to help you.
Why do the numbers look sick?
The even numbers are disappearing.
But we need them, don't we?
Yes, without them balance fades.
We can make more even numbers!
How would we do that?
Phew! Any number times 2 is even!
That's wonderful! 3 times 2 makes 6! The forest is healing!
Even numbers have 2 as a factor.
You're very wise.
It worked!
You saved this place. Is that my way home? Yes. Follow the even lights.
I'll miss you.
I'll always be with you.
I'll keep making even numbers.
And I'll keep believing in you.